Good morning everyone. Today we will be conducting Modern Pariksha Pe Charcha session 2025. Myself Riya Sharma and I would like to introduce you all to Ms. Shweta Shishodia of class 11, Ms. Divya of class 10 and Ms. Khushi Sharma of class 9. Today I will be asking them some general questions under the activity of student, anchor and guest. So my first question is for Shweta Shishodia. So are there any problems that you face during communicating with teachers or asking your doubts during the classes?
No, I usually don't face these type of problems. Rarely I face these problems while communicating to my teacher or asking doubts during the class. It is mainly due to the lack of self-confidence in such scenes, or it is also due to the presence of so many students in the class, presence of 30 to 40 students in the class whose center of attention I am while asking doubts to the teacher. This makes me nervous, or this nervousness causes me to prevent asking questions, not to ask questions to the teacher. To overcome these type of problems, I wait for the class to end, and after the class ends, I ask those doubts and clear it from the teacher.
थैंक यू श्वेता। तो मेरा अगला सवाल मिस दिव्या के लिए है कि अपने परीक्षाओं के दौरान आप क्या नीति अपनाती हैं अपने अलग अलग विषय को संभालने के लिए?
परीक्षा के दौरान मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मेरा जो पढ़ाई का समय है वो पढ़ लूँ, और जो बाकी काम है उसका समय मैं कम कर देती हूँ। जब भी मैं पढ़ने बैठती हूँ, 1 या आधा घंटा पढ़ने के बाद मैं रिवाइज़ करती हूँ कि जो मैंने पढ़ा है वो मुझे अच्छे से याद हुआ है कि नहीं, और मैं उस चीज़ को अच्छे से रिवाइज़ करती हूँ, फिर दोबारा नई चीज़ पढ़ने बैठती हूँ। इसके बाद जब भी मेरा परीक्षा होती है, परीक्षा से पहले मैं मेडिटेशन करती हूँ ताकि मेरे कुछ तनाव है परीक्षा की वजह से वो ख़त्म हो जाए या कम हो जाए, क्योंकि मेडिटेशन करने से वो घट जाता है।
धन्यवाद दिव्या। So my next question is for Khushi Sharma. What are the obstacles that you face during your preparation?
Some general obstacles that I feel are demotivation and lack of time for self-study. But a major obstacle is distraction. It takes a lot of self-control and discipline to prevent myself from using social media application during my study hours.
Yes, you're right, Khushi. Distractions are a major problem in not only yours but every student's life today. As we know, youth is so much engaged in social media and internet that it has become a challenge for them to stay disciplined and focused. So here comes my next question for Shweta Shishodia. How do you manage your distractions and how do you prevent them?
Yes, you are right. Distractions are major problems and serious issues for students in this digital world. I too face distraction related problems, and I overcome these problems by using some strategies. Firstly, I keep my digital devices which attracts me or which mostly distracts me out of my reach. I switches them off and put it elsewhere or in another room. Even if I want to use them for my study purpose, I use them in someone else's guidance or supervision. And also I turn off the notifications which flashes on the screen and attracts me towards the social media platform, and it prevents me from distraction and leads to higher concentration in studies.
Thank you all of you for your precious time and such an amazing and inspirational session. This program was conducted under Pariksha Pe Charcha session